Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for marketing in 2025. Like from content creation to customer engagement, ChatGPT can automate and speed up your marketing tasks. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open ChatGPT, then you need to log in into your account. Over here, you can ask it for some of the content ideas. For that, you need to give it a prompt. For example, let's say I gave it this prompt, that is, give me 10 Instagram post ideas for a fitness brand promoting healthy snacks. Now you need to hit enter. Then you will instantly going to get the fresh idea that are tailored to your own niche. Now you can use it to write the social media posts. So ChatGPT is going to create the captions and add copy for you. For that, you just have to give it a prompt that can look something like this. Like write 3 engaging Instagram captions with emojis for a new protein bar launch. Once you hit enter, it will give you the posts which are ready to be copied and pasted on your feed. So as you can see, it has also added the emojis for you. Now you can use it to create the email campaigns. So you can ask it something like this, like draft a 3-part email sequence for an online course launch with the subject line and CTAs. So once you hit enter, it is going to generate the email for you. So this is going to save hours of manual writing while keeping your email very persuasive. You can also use it for the Google Ads, Facebook ads, and landing page copy. You just have to provide it the product name, the benefits, audience, and ChatGPT will generate the multiple and different types of versions for different testings. Now, when you are done, you can paste your existing marketing copy into ChatGPT and ask it to, make a copy of more persuasive for Gen Z audience, and it is going to refine your copy. It will add more tone, wording, and flow into it. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for marketing for different purposes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.